In this problem, we're learning how to find limits by reading a graph. So our first function that we're looking at the limit as x goes to 1, and we want to see what happens there. And in this particular graph, we can actually say, okay, x is 1 right here. Let's see what happens. We'll kind of do dots. Notice it goes to the point x or y is equal to 2. And we have it coming in on the same side. Doesn't matter whether you're coming in from the left or right, we still get the number 2. So the answer to our first question is 2. Second one, we're looking at f of x as x approaches 3, so that's right here, from the left-hand side. And this negative sign that we see, as it looks like it's in an exponent sort of place, that is telling us that we're looking as we come in from the negative side. So in particular, you're looking kind of where this line is going in this direction, but we only care about this side. We don't care about the right-hand side and what's happening there. In that side, we can see our function. The line on our graph goes to the number 1, so that is going to be the answer right there. On the other hand, part C says we're looking at x goes to 3, but we have a plus sign in the exponent spot. And it's not technically an exponent, but that is telling us we're coming in from the right-hand side. So we are getting closer to 3, but we're coming in from the right-hand side of the graph. We don't care about anything but the right-hand side of the graph, and we don't care what happens actually at the point. So in this situation, we see our function goes to the number 4. Okay, we aren't quite done yet. I know there was only 3 parts that I could fit on the first page. The next one asks what happens as x goes to 3. Now in this case, there is nothing there saying from the right or from the left. And we'll notice that from the left, of course, we're coming in and we go to 1. From the right, we go to number 2. And in the middle, at 3, we are actually at the point 3. So those 3 numbers do not match up. And when they don't match up, we write DNE for does not exist. So this is since the left and right-hand limits are not the same. And just as a slight point, we don't care what happens at the point, we just care what happens as we get closer to the point. So our last question is f of 3. And as we said before, that's just the dot at the point 3. So there's our solution there. Thanks for listening.